So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in reset this PC. Click on it, and then once you're on this, next to advanced startup, you're going to click on restart now, and then click on restart now again, which will now take us to this screen. Now once you're on this screen, you're going to click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and then command prompt. Now we're going to be on this, and then once you're on this, you're going to type in bootrec space / fix mbr. Click on enter, and now you're going to type in bootrec space / fix boot. Click on enter again. If you get this error, just ignore it. Now you're going to type in bootrec space / scan os. Click on enter again. Wait for this to load. And now we're going to type in bootrec space / rebuild bcd. Click on enter again. Wait for this to load. And now we're going to type in sfc space / scan now, and I click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be completed. And now that's been done, we're now going to type in chkdsk space c : space /f space /r. Click on enter. You now want to run this scan as well. And then once that's been done, we're now going to close out of command prompt, continue to Windows, and then the prompt should be fixed.